What's up, guys? We are with the ISF today, and today we're going to be installing these little fender inserts.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
So yeah, this little insert would be popping in right here. I think I got these for like $1.50, something like that, for the pair, and they're cheaper than the ones that are already carbon fiber. So I figured I had the leftover carbon fiber vinyl from the interior wrap that I did. So I'm gonna try to wrap these in carbon fiber.
He's terrible, Your Honor. He's really terrible.
Pop them on, see how they look. And then yeah, that's the plan for today. And also I have this license plate frame that I bought. They came in a pair. I put one on my wife's car, and then I have this left over for mine, which I didn't think about. It looks pretty ghetto without it, so popping on this, and yeah, just be added, I guess, protection for the license plate. But get started on wrapping the carbon fiber, or the inserts. I think I'm actually going to do the license plate frame first, because I'm confident I can at least finish it. So managed to pop off the old license plate relatively easy. Only took about 10 minutes. Just gonna get a Sharpie and then make a mark where I need to make those holes at. And then we should be in business. So I got like a chisel and a hammer and kind of made some puncture holes that will make it easier to drill the hole. I think I'm actually gonna make the hole a bit bigger. So finally, all done. Let's see if it fits. But yeah, it's all done. As secure as it's going to be. Doesn't look too bad. But now, on to the main event. Is wrapping these fender inserts. So yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, we can finally get started wrapping these babies. Let me measure out the vinyl, and then we'll see what's up. Let's get started. So finally done with one piece. It is not perfect at all. I had to, this part was a real to do right here. But yeah, it's took me what, like an hour just to do this one piece. So yeah, I'm gonna continue it tomorrow, and then see how it goes. Yeah, and right here there's I had to cut a little piece right here. Probably can't see it, it's probably not gonna focus. There you go. It's a little piece missing right here because I had to make a relief cut because it was too hard of a recess for me to do it. But yeah, over here there's like, it's gonna be lifting here pretty soon, I bet. right here it's already lifting. I'm gonna poke a hole in there and just kind of heat it up and then make it go down a bit more. But yeah, I'm hoping you won't be able to notice it from further away. That's how most of my mods work. But yeah, it's not bad for $150, I guess. So yeah, all done. And if you know my work, you know they're not perfect like at all. But yeah, for like $1.50 and some leftover carbon fiber vinyl, it's not too bad, considering the real ones or the authentic ones are like $500, something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna test fit these and then throw some double-sided tape on it and then pop them on the car. So here we are at the old workbench. I think with this double-sided tape, I'm going to double up on it just to be safe and sure that it'll stick to the surface of the car. But yeah, I'm just gonna test it first to make sure and then get to cutting the double-sided tape. So after I actually test fit it on the car, I think this double-sided tape is gonna be plenty thick enough so I don't need to double up on it. So I'm just gonna get started putting it on the back of this. I think that should be good, hopefully. So since I haven't washed the car in a bit and it's a bit dusty and I've driven it a few times since I've parked it in the garage, I'm going to just clean up this little fender area really quick with some Optimum no rinse, and then yeah, we'll get started. Freezing out here, my fingers are like frozen. It's a bit bigger than the actual side of this door right here. So if you open up this door and you feel back here, it's maybe like, I want to say a couple millimeters longer than the fender. But I'm not too stressed about it. Yep. So there it is. Finished product. I wish I could bring out the car and then show it in the actual natural sunlight. But I got the TL parked right here and it's just too much of a hassle to move all the cars and stuff. First world problems, I guess. But yeah, that's it. Pretty happy with the turnout, I guess, considering I'm a noob at wrapping it and then installing everything. So there you have it, just a super quick video installing the front license plate frame and then installing those replica like novel carbon fiber fender inserts. And I know a lot of people are not going to like it, but yeah, you can do whatever you want to your cars.
Do you? I don't got time for this. Do you, boo-boo?
I like the look of it and probably gonna see how long it lasts. Hopefully it doesn't fall off when I'm on the highway or something like that. But until the next one, I'll see you guys later.
Sash.